What's going on YouTube? Back to the channel, it's Money Mero Tech. Today on the channel, we're checking out some Spigen accessories for the Galaxy Watch 2 Ultra. All right, we got some extra bands, we got some protections. Let's go ahead and have a review and check them out right now. Our first product up is going to be the Spigen Thin Fit 360. Okay, price of bad boy will be $20. Also come with a screen protector if you want to add it on. Okay, that's how it looks. Nice little small profile. All right. Pop it on. I would prefer to go to the button side first. Snap right on, real easily, really fast. Okay, so we'll put it on real quick. Like so. All right, so nice little profile. It's not too bulky, not too big and stuff. So be able to touch your buttons and stuff just fine. So be able to swipe, okay. Should be able to do the touch bezel if you wanted to. Okay, so work just fine. There's a nice low profile and stuff. Feel good, not too bulky, not too carry. Should be able to swap your bands out real easily. Then we'll pop them off. Just push the side up, and you're good to go. So that right there was the Thin Fit 360 for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. All right, next up is going to be the Spigen Liquid Air. Price of bad boy is going to be $18. Come in one color, black. All right, how it looks. This one here does require you to take off your bands before putting it on. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Line it up. Pop it in real quick. Start from the button side. That's what I always do, start on the button side. Push it round, boom, and we are locked in, okay? See how it looks right now without the bands on, okay? Get a nice protection all the way around. Let's go ahead and throw on these simply bands real quick. 1, 2, all right. Check functionality, so click your buttons, all right. Everything should work. Touch, still work and stuff. And then let's go to the list real quick to see the bezel work. So be able to use your bezel if you wanted to use the bezel for navigating if you wanted to, okay? All right, full protection all the way around, full body protection. Okay, this right here was the Liquid Air. Price and bad boy again, 18 bucks. Let's keep it going. Next up is going to be the Rugged Armor. Price of bad boy is going to be 18 bucks. All right, now this one will also come in one color as well, black. This one also requires you to take off your bands and put on. This is how it looks right now before I put it on. Okay, button side right here. Let's go ahead and put it on real quick. Start from the button side. Get that size in. Start working around. Boom, boom, and we're in, okay? How it looked before putting the bands on. You got nice protection all the way around the watch, okay? Nice little absorption. You see that nice little depth right there from the screen, okay? Let's go ahead and put on the bands real quick. I love these bands, how easy it is to take off and on. If it was the old school Samsung bands, I would not be taking this off. I'm sorry, I just wouldn't be taking it off. But since these bands are so easy to put on and off, I would do it, okay? All right, nice protection all the way around. Speaker grill, buttons, functionality, works just fine. Okay, swiping, works just fine. Back to the home page real quick. Swipe up, bezel, let's see. Yep, so it works. So you'll be able to still do your touch the bezel if you want to do that. I don't really use touch bezel no more. Since the Watch Ultra, I just swipe now. I don't really use the bezel, but it's still there if you want to use it and stuff. The bezel part, you turn it off and on in your settings and stuff. But right there is the Rugged Armor. All right, 18 bucks. Let's go and move on to the next one. Next up is going to be the Galaxy Watch Ultra Rugged Armor Pro. Now, exactly like this, however, they added on a band, okay? This is the TPU band all the way around the watch, similar, but this time it don't require you to take off your band because it already include the band on it, okay? So pop it on like so, very easy, okay? Price of bad boy, same as $23. Come in one color, black. So you see how it look right now. Fully protection all the way around, okay? Front, button cutouts. Still be able to function your buttons, on the function screen, sorry. Buttons, okay? Still able to use it, like so. All right, bezel, we'll try it out real quick. Sorry, fingers are big too. There it goes, okay? Keep a note, if you are a bigger person like I am, bigger guy, bigger fingers and stuff, it might have a little bit hard time with that touches bezel with this big one, but it worked just fine. Okay. All right. Fit is good. Nice and secured. Okay. All right. It's not as comfortable as the newer Galaxy bands, but it would get the job done if you wanted to keep all in one place and stuff. All right. So that right there was the Rugged Armor Pro all-inclusive one, $23. Let's keep it going. Guys, next up is going to be the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and Ultra watch band. Price of bad boy is going to be $27. It comes one color, black, with this metal accent here in front. You see right there, you had a little orange right there as well to match the watch theme. Okay, nice little metal connectors. This is nylon with TPU together. Okay, for more durability. So it starts from the top, step right in. Easy money. Okay, that looked really nice. That looked really, really nice. Okay, material feel good. TPU in the back, nylon here in the front. So we put it on real quick. Okay, nice thick band. Okay, well, that feels good. Okay, nice big thick band all the way around. The metal looked perfectly on the watch. Okay, not bad at all. Definitely not bad at all. Okay, that there was the watch band with the nylon and the metal connectors, $27. Let's keep it going. All right, next up we have the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 Ultra Athlex Air. Okay, Athlex Air. All right, make sure I pronounce that right. Nice little nylon soft material band that is adjustable. Okay, open it up, adjust it here like so. Put it on real quick so you can see a better example when I put it on. Okay, right here it's gonna be the top part. Okay, so put this on top like so. Put this at the bottom real quick. Perfect for anybody who have a big wrist, a small wrist to adjust and stuff. All right, open it up like so. Hand barely going in there like that. Put it on. And we are on like that. Okay, nice soft material on this band, adjustable and stuff. As you can see, very soft, very comfortable and stuff, very lightweight as well. So easy to take off and on. Maybe if you get this dirty from sweating and stuff, maybe be able to wash it with some Dawn soap in the water, dry it off in the sun, be good to go. But that right there was the Athlex Air from Spigen. Price on that boy again was $22. Let's keep it going. Last up is going to be the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 WBF1 band. Price of bad boy is going to be $20. Come in one color, black. Nice black style design strap. This one kind of gave me that familiar look from the original Galaxy band that will launch on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Okay, similar, but not exactly the same. All right. Let's go ahead and put it back on real quick. See, start from the top. Here's gonna be the top right here. Like so, the bottom. Okay. Then right here, it's like a nice little hook system. So hook right is, hook it in like that. To put it back on, off and on. Real easy. We easily put it on real quick. Just find a little loop, put it on, and you're good to go, okay? Pull out to adjust it. Okay. Once you get it on, turn it around, upside down. Find one of them loops, put it right in, and boom, you're already ready to go. Okay, Spigen right there, nice little design, very lightweight. Like I said, it gave me that some familiar vibe that I had on my Galaxy Watch, the first Ultra. Okay, familiar design, but probably a little more updated, nice, clean, and black material and stuff. Another one you can probably wash real quick during heavy activity, sweat and dirt and stuff. Put it in some Dawn soap, hot water, rinse it off real quick, put it in the sun to dry, and you're good to go. All right. So that right there was the Galaxy Watch FBF1, $20. All right, guys, there you go. That right there was the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 accessories from Spigen. Comment down below on which one you think you're gonna pick up for your watch for protection or extra bands. If I had to pick out of the bands and the protection, if I had to pick, I'll probably have to go with the WBF1. This one gave me that familiar vibe like I said, from the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Okay, that nice little nylon design, very easy hook loop accessory, put right on and go. Me, I'm more of a durable, you know, get it, put it on and go guy. But for casual date night, I think this one here will look perfectly on my wrist for date night with the misses and stuff. And then when it comes to the protection of the band, I probably had to pick between the thin fit 360 or the liquid air, okay? But I'll probably lean more to the thin fit 360, only back fat because I can easily take it off and on and stuff. I always take off my bands every once in a while to clean around it because that sweat buildup from the watch and working out activity stuff will build up here. So keep that in mind, guys. If you haven't check it out yet, make sure you take off your bands every once in a while, wash off the watch and stuff, Dawn soap and water and stuff. You're good to go. But other than that, guys, that right there, what you lined up for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 from Spigen. Yeah, any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. I am Money Tech. See you guys next time. Peace.